Hi guys! It's Cooking Show again, and it's me, Zyren, and it's
Jesslyn!
and it's Bro!
Nathan!
And we are Cooking Show! And it's part 2 of eating. Because yung isa, ano na, ang dami nun. So, papakita ko kung anong ginagawa.
I'm gonna eat your bro. Eat your bro. I'm gonna eat you.
Ang gulo nila, no?
I'm gonna cook you. I'm gonna cook you. I'm gonna cook you.
Bro.
I'm gonna cook you.
Stop! Or you're not eating!
Sorry.
It's just a prank.
Shut up.
Bro! Put that off on your head!
I said yeah. Open your eyes.
So, I'm gonna put that off on her head. Yeah, that's your karma. Bro! Bro, I'm gonna punch you! Punch him!
Punch it. It's going more.
That's her! Bro! Bro! Bro, you're gonna be grounded! Don't fight, don't fight. Or you're not gonna eat!
Hey, now.
Bro,
I'm gonna put you. I'm gonna eat you. Nom, 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 nom.
ano na lang?
I'm gonna eat you.
Ay, dadi! Kumain ko muna yung
Ulam.
lamisain! Ulam! Hintayin nyo kami, ha? Tapos na kami kumain. That's me,
Ow.
Zyren, and it's...
Jesslyn.
And it's Nathan.
Ow.
Inantok na kami.
So, matutulog muna kami. We're going to sleep.
Charot lang, maglalaro na kami. Hintayin nyo mamayang 6.